Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can auto reframe your videos in CapCut PC. So here you can start first by adding a video. So I'm going to just use a video from the CapCut stock materials, CapCut, and here I'm going to just add, for example, this videos right here. Now you can just drag it to the timeline, and this is the video, and I'm going to auto reframe. So what you need to do is just click on the video, and here under the basic you can scroll down until you see this auto reframe. So click on the checkbox to enable the feature, and you can change the aspect ratio in here. So by using this auto reframe, it will reframe or crop your video into a certain ratio that you choose, but it will make sure that the objects in the video is still remain on the video. So even it's moving, the object will still be on the frame. So I'm going to go with 1 by 1 or square. Here you can use this image stabilization and camera moving speed, but I'm going to leave it at default. You can just click on apply, and if you want to, you can also change the screen ratio or the canvas following the size of the video. So now the result will go like this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.